Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will show you some of my study materials required for B.S.C.IT Sem 6 subject and in general software quality assurance. Go to this link in description now, click on repositories and scroll down below to find repository of Sem 5 software quality assurance. There are many other repositories as well. Click on SQA repository and go through all the PDF, PPT documents in there. Do not miss the practical journal file, and at the end please subscribe to my channel, it means a lot.